Today, I'll show you how to activate your American Express card, ensuring you're ready to make purchases with ease. Activating your card is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through several methods to get it done quickly and securely. First, let's talk about the different ways you can activate your card. You have three main options: through the American Express website using their mobile app, or simply by giving them a call. All of these methods are designed to make the process as seamless as possible. If you prefer activating your card online, start by heading over to the American Express activation page. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can enter your card details when prompted. The website will guide you through entering your card information, including that important 4-digit security code. Make sure you have your card handy because you'll need these details to complete the activation. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using your smartphone, the American Express mobile app is a great option. Once you've signed in, simply follow the prompts to activate your card. The app is user-friendly and designed to make the process as easy as possible. Just like with the website, be sure to have your card details at the ready to ensure a smooth activation. For those who prefer the traditional route, you can activate your card by phone. Look for the activation number on the sticker that's attached to your new card. Give it a call and follow the automated instructions. This method is just as secure and might be the quickest option if you're not near a computer or your phone is running low on battery. A few important reminders before you proceed. Always keep your card details ready during activation. This will save you time and reduce any potential frustration. It's also crucial to use only the official American Express channels for activation to protect your personal information. And here's a little tip. Sometimes your card might already be activated when it arrives, so double check before you start the process. And there you have it. That's all there is to activating your American Express card. Whether you choose to activate online through the app or by phone, you're now ready to enjoy the benefits and convenience of your new card. Thanks for watching and happy spending.